Use kazi mtaani, albeit with a different name, the president has said. Beginning next week, President William Ruto said at least 110,000 youths will be enrolled in the program. Speaking as he led the country in this year's Madaraka Day celebrations in Homa Bay County, the president also used the occasion to enumerate his administration's successes in the last 3 years. Achola Simon with the details.
Armed with a 45-minute riveting speech laden with milestones and successes realized in the last 3 years, President William Ruto was bullish on his administration fortunes going forward under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
We must remain steadfast in our belief in Kenya's potential and in our ability to realize our dreams.
The president touching on the success realized in the housing sector, education, agriculture, and the health sector.
Roads are connecting communities. Electricity is reaching every village. Dignified homes are rising across counties. Farmers are feeding the nation. Millions now access quality health care without barriers.
At least 11,000 housing units have been built in the last 3 years, making the 150 units annual target more realistic.
Ladies and gentlemen, the affordable housing program stands as a powerful symbol of the socio-economic transformation underway across Kenya. Last week, I had the privilege of handing over keys to the first 1,080 social housing units in the new Mukuru estate in Nairobi. As I said then, while it was a life-changing moment for the new homeowners, it was equally one of the most profound and consequential days in my political career to witness how a deliberate government policy can uplift lives, restore dignity, and offer hope to communities that have long lived on the margins of our society.
Furthermore, the sector has created over 250,000 jobs so far. The president also highlighted the milestones achieved in the health sector amid murmurs over the functionality of SHA.
In just 8 months, SHA has disbursed Kenya shillings 43 billion in claims to facilities, with 4.5 million Kenyans having received treatment fully covered by SHA since its inception.
The head of state revealing that at least 50,000 people enroll on the platform every month and introducing an option for partial payments dubbed SHA Pole Pole.
Lipa SHA Pole Pole has been made possible through a strategic partnership between the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Cooperatives and MSMEs, mobile network operators, and financial institutions through the Hustler Fund. The system is simple and accessible to citizens. Citizens can dial *147# and follow the prompts to enroll and begin their contributions immediately.
The platform has also seen at least 4.3 million Kenyans benefit from the project. On education, the infrastructure will be upgraded and expanded.
Our next priority is to ensure every school has infrastructure and equipment needed to support both learners and teachers. To support this transition, and respond to the needs of our growing population, we have undertaken the largest teacher recruitment drive since independence.
The government has already employed 76,000 teachers and intends to employ 26,000 more. In agriculture, the president defended the leasing of government on millers for sustainability and assured the farm's assets will not be lost.
Our goal is to modernize the mills, ensure prompt payment to farmers, workers' salaries and wages, and transform these once struggling factories into productive and sustainable enterprises.
He said with sustained provision of farm inputs, the country is on course to realizing a reduction of at least 70% of sugar imports. Achola Simon, Sunday Express.